Hello everyone, this is Alexey. I'm sure that every one of you enjoyed the in-person experience of Electronica in Munich last week after 4 years. While you were busy with your agenda, you might have missed some market news. So let's check what is new in power semiconductors industry. Infineon Technologies is planning to continue expanding its 300mm manufacturing capacity to enable the expected acceleration and growth of analog, mixed-signal and power semiconductors. The intended location is Dresden in Germany. Adequate public funding is required for the investment decision. With a planned total investment of €5 billion, this would be the largest single investment in Infineon's history. Wolfspeed and BorgWarner announced a strategic partnership that calls for BorgWarner to invest $500 million in Wolfspeed's financing transaction in exchange for a silicon carbide device capacity corridor. Under the multi-year agreement between BorgWarner and Wolfspeed, BorgWarner will be entitled to purchase up to $650 million of devices annually as BorgWarner requirements increase. BorgWarner's charging forward strategy targets $4.5 billion of electric vehicles revenue for 2025. Infineon Technologies and Stellantis have signed a non-binding memorandum of understanding as a first step towards a potential multi-year supply cooperation for silicon carbide semiconductors. Infineon would reserve manufacturing capacity and supply of cool-SiC bare die chips in the second half of the decade to the direct Tier 1 suppliers of Stellantis. The potential source and volume and capacity reservation have a value of significantly more than €1 billion. Nexperia is shocked by UK government's decision to order the divestment of 86% of its semiconductor wafer factory in South Wales, known as Newport Wafer Fab, despite the acquisition being cleared by 2 previous security reviews. Nexperia doesn't accept the national security concerns raised. The far-reaching remedies which Nexperia offered to fully address the government's concerns have been entirely ignored. Can we contribute to the worldwide energy challenge by maximizing the efficiency in power conversion at a low cost? The answer is yes, we can. The goal of the Yes We Can consortium is to create a new class of vertical power transistors based on gallium nitride, so-called vertical gallium nitride membrane transistors. These novel power devices combine the efficiency of Wide-Bandgap semiconductors with the lower cost of the established silicon semiconductor technology. GaN Systems unveiled its annual power semiconductor predictions for 2023. These predictions explore the changes underway around the global semiconductor supply chain and sustainability initiatives specific to key power-reliant industries. With the strong momentum of the electrification megatrend and an increasing number of products containing semiconductors, economic winners and losers will be determined mainly by those who can better manage their supply chains that not only enable the production of existing goods for businesses and consumers, yet stoke the fires of innovation for the near future. That's it for today. Thanks everyone for watching. As usual, more power semiconductors market news coming next week. Meanwhile, go to my blog for more information or reach me in LinkedIn. Have a great day.